Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today we focus on 4 words: if, was, with, what. So we'll come to the first word, if. If we, if you, if this. If Sharan comes, ask him to wait. If it rains, we will get wet. If you study, you will pass. If not now, then when? If not now, then when? If you will not learn English now, then when will you learn? I can help if you want. Let's see if this key opens the lock. The second word is was. I was, it was, there was, that was. I went for a long walk. I was tired. He was a brave soldier. How was your day? My day was good. My day was fantastic. My day was great. Yesterday was my birthday. Was there a lot of traffic? Yes, I was late for work. A cat was sitting on the chair. That was a beautiful dress, but I didn't purchase it. There was a lot of crowd in the market. It was hot yesterday. The third word is with. With her, with him, with you, with me, with love, with pleasure, along with. The boys fought with each other. Fill the pot with water. Tia and Ria were angry with each other. I was with her yesterday. I went with him to the market. The next word is what. What else? Whatever. What about? What's your name? My name is Nivedita. What a wonderful name. What time is it? It is 12:30. Hey, what's up? Nothing much. Does it mean? What does it mean? What do you mean? What are you up to? There are apples, oranges, and cherries. Eat whatever you want. I have seen the Krishna temple. What else is there to see in Udupi? That's all for today. We have focused on 4 words: if, was, with, what. Meet you in my next class. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration, and be happy always.